Well, it's high times with Kyle. He's playing Midnight Club Los Angeles right now, so. So yeah, I'm high, he's high, smoked a bowl earlier, and now we're playing video games. And so far this game is pretty difficult for us. Yeah. Just want to say hi. And I haven't made a video in a couple days, or a week or so. Stoner. Aw, he's camera shy. Peace out.